It is within this context that Tungwarara's behavior at political rallies must be examined. Nezana pana mashoko obuda panguva ino anoonekwa kunzi Tungwarara behavior yaari kuita panguva ino yonzi aiwa ngaimboinvestigitwa ngaimboonekwa panguva ino uchionekwa kunzi haazokonzeresa rift kubato rinozikanwa nerunyararo here Revolutionary Party. Panguva ino vanhu vachiti hazvipere mushe maatax acho achiataka mamwe maindividuals anorespectiwa. Don't forget to subscribe or like it on the bell icon. At these gatherings, he does not merely speak in support of the president or party policy. He policies loyalty, issues threats, and positions himself as a conduit to power, frequently drawing implicit distinctions between those who are with the leadership and those who are not. His rhetoric often mirrors that of a gatekeeper, someone who decides who belongs and who must be disciplined. His posture is striking, particularly given that he is not an elected official, a senior party leader, nor a constitutionally mandated authority. Equally striking is the contradiction between Tungwarara's origins and his current role. Emerging from a religious background, he has taken a self-declared sabbatical from pastoral duties while accumulating wealth, state protection, diplomatic travel privileges, and visible symbols of elite power. Members of his own church have publicly questioned whether his conduct aligns with the values and teachings that once defined his ministry. These concerns too are part of the public record. This opted is not an attempt to adjudicate guilty nor to personalize political disagreement. It is an attempt to highlight a dangerous pattern, the normalization of shadow authority in national politics, where influence is exercised without transparency, accountability, or a democratic mandate. When individuals who are neither elected nor constitutionally appointed are allowed to dominate rallies, intimidate structures, and speak as though they represent the presidency itself, the problem is not merely one man, it is a system that has blurred the line between state power and private access. Ndo mashoko anobuda choko pamusoro paTungwarara. Pena comment section medu nzofunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pezvitiko izvi. So subscribe or like up on the bell icon.